I've tested Lattafa Leen like 3 times now, and the opening still smells like my experience with Lattafa's Peace and Love. Fresh, clean, airy, slightly sweet, spicy florals. And when I say spicy, I mean like spicy, as the spiciness of Lattafa Leen sticks around for a very, very long time. Immediately this scent hits my skin and jumps to my nostrils. These 4 perfumes come to mind: Lattafa's Peace and Love, Vase Blanche, Lattafa's Breeze, and Versace Essence by Maison Alhambra. I start to somewhat of lose interest in Lattafa's Leen when that slight sweetness I get in the opening begins to fade away. 1 hour in, Lattafa's Leen is giving loads of airy, fresh green florals on a weak, woody ambre foundation. If you're expecting a juicy mango in Lattafa's Leen, you will definitely be disappointed. The mango in here was a fleeting accidental discovery in my experience. It's like a spicy green mango, like 30% ripe. It's not juicy at all. 3 hours later, Lattafa's Leen smells like an airy, slightly fruity, spicy floral vanilla and reminds me of Paris Corner's Care Felicity. Projection is good with Lattafa's Leen and it lasts well over 8 hours on my skin. The girlies out here in Fratcom absolutely love this one and they call it like the perfect wedding scent, but to me, the hype is not given at all. It's very cutesy, it's very demure, it's very, very mindful, but it's not giving me chooks. You need to get this in your life energy. Anyway, that has been my review for Lattafa's Leen. Don't forget to please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.